Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. This is the Haoqi Eagle. It is a long-range electric bike that is very powerful. I'm really excited about it. It has 1,200 watts of peak power, 90 Newton meters of torque, and it will go up to 80 miles on a single charge. Yes, we're gonna take it out of the box, put it together, take it for a spin, then we're gonna grade it on fit, form, and function. And I gotta tell you, I'm really looking forward to this one. This is the Haoqi H3000 or Haoqi Eagle all put together. There's the badging. I guess they're now calling it the H3000. It's on the website, I believe, as the Eagle. Regardless, it's a big bike. It's a big boy bike in black. Yeah, this is the big, beautiful black bike. I don't know why I keep using that same alliteration for everything. Anyway, so here are the stats, okay? This is a 1,200 watt peak power, okay? Now, 750 normal wattage, but it will go up to 1,200 watts. You got 90 Newton meters of max torque, 28 mile per hour top speed. You have a 48 volt, 20 amp hour battery, good for up to 80 miles, the company says. You have hydraulic brakes, see right through there? Absolutely front and on the back, which is right over there. We have a front coil suspension, so it's kind of a mechanical coil right there. There is no rear suspension. This is a step-over bike, as you can see. We have an LCD display. This is a Shimano 7-speed gear system right here. You have your mechanical bell. To power it up, press the M and watch this thing come to life. It looks good, and that's going to be so visible, hopefully, during the daytime. If I remember right, I could see this anytime. This is probably my third Haoqi bike that I've reviewed, and they've all been great. They have really been great. So it already comes in miles per hour. The battery is fully charged, as you can see on top right there. You do have a front headlight and a rear tail light. It weighs 79.4 pounds, I believe. You also have an upgraded soft saddle with the rear rack. I think that is so cool. Let's see if we can, this is how you change the display, okay, by pushing the M right here. We have 5 levels of pedal assist. There you go. Do I have a headlight button? Or do I just hold the up button? There, now we have a headlight. If you hold the up button, oh, I didn't even plug it in yet. Hold on, this is gonna be great. Now she's plugged in. Look at that, it's a smaller light, but it is super duper bright. And as you can see, we have the tail light right here, already pre-assembled. This was really easy, a joy to put together. I'll put it on the brakes, see? So you do have brake lights right there, super nice. Yeah, this was not difficult at all to put together. One of the easier bikes I've ever put together. So I'm gonna spend some time on it. Then I will take you guys on a ride with me. We will test out all of the features, and then we'll come back and grade it. Fit, form, and function. And I gotta tell you, yeah, I'm excited about this one. It's a big bike. It is a big, big bike. 26 by 4-inch tires certainly help with that. I love it. Here's what came in the box, very minimal. Okay, we have an owner's manual, a couple of tools. That's really all you need for this. You have an air pump, which is nice, and that is your battery charger right there, all right? So, super easy to keep track of all of this stuff. Keep it in the original box, and you'll be good for a long, long time. All right, we're trying to beat the rain, which is coming into play, but it is a perfect time to take the H3000, I guess that's what I should call it, or the Eagle, out and see what she's all about. Now, the specs I looked at were for the step through. This is the step over, so they could be a little bit different, but mostly I think it's gonna be just about the same. But I'm really Really excited about this. So, M for power. You got this really nice display right here. Can you see what's going on? Let me check your view. Oh yeah, here we go. So we'll go to pedal assist 2. No one has been on this at all. So let's just see. Yeah, this is a big bike. I've been on this particular frame. A lot of bike companies have the same frames. So I can tell you it's a large bike. It is large and in charge. We'll get up here and we'll do a quick little brake check just to make sure everything's fine. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Well, there's a squeaky front suspension right there. Not a big problem. Here we go. We'll do some turning. Yeah, you can tell this is a giant bike. Oh my goodness. But it's a good riding position. You can tweak the handlebars a little bit and enjoy yourself. It is really starting to get cold out here. But it looks good, feels good. There's the guys on the roof again. We'll come down here, and I can tell you, I think the suspension is going to be really, really nice. All right, let's just enjoy it. So we're going to go down the rough part of the road. This is where we test the suspension. You can lock the suspension if you want to. I'm coasting down here. This is 16, and it's really doing well. I mean, the tires, because they're so big and they're tall, 26 by 4 inch, they're going to absorb a lot of the imperfections on the road. This road is perfectly imperfect. And this is doing a pretty good job. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Now, there is no rear suspension. But, yeah, we're doing good. Okay, so I'm going to say that, not the smoothest, but certainly not bad at all. So let's make sure we're in. Okay, there's top gear. We'll go to pedal assist 5, and we're going to come up what I call torque hill. We always do this. Anything above 12 is a passing score. So we got 13. We're doing 12.8, 12.6. Now this is 12.1, 12.0. Don't drop, don't go below. Having these big tires can be a disadvantage for some bikes because it takes more to make them turn. This is 11.8. I'm gonna have to get a jacket. It is so cold out here. Okay, we're back. We have a coat on. The sun is trying to come out. I don't know what's happening here as far as the weather, but I know I'm enjoying my time. I wish we had a little more torque. I wish we came up the hill a little faster with a little more oomph, but that's okay. I mean, this is a big bike, like I keep saying. 90 Newton meters of torque, I would think would be able to handle that a little better, but you never know. Okay, let's do some pedal work as we go up here. Go back to pedal assist 5. Woo! Now that the wind is coming, it's getting chilly again. Oh my goodness. Okay, there is some tire hum on the road, but these are big, these are big old tires. We'll come down here. Let's go this way. We're going to try something different this time. We're going to go around this way. I will tell you, it seems like a lot of weight is kind of pushing on my hands. I wish I was upright, a little more upright. Here we go. This is a good, fun bike, though. I will tell you that. He wasn't very friendly at all. Okay, well, do a little pedaling, coming down through here. Woo! Yeah, it's getting cold. Yeah, as long as you're pedaling, if you're actually pushing down or not, a cadence sensor is gonna kick in. See, now I'm pedaling, but I'm not really pushing down at all, and the bike is on pedal assist 5, so the bike is really helping here. Let's do a hard brake. Yeah, did you hear that? A little creaky. I don't know what I think about that coil suspension in the front. I have been riding this off camera. My family has been riding this. We will get back and I will give you my grading. I just wish it had more. It doesn't feel like 90 Newton meters of torque. We'll see if we can come up here at all. If we can make it up this hill. Come on, we're going 8. So if you're looking for a bike that will completely let you, just use the thumb throttle or the twist throttle like this one and not have to pedal at all, there are more powerful bikes. There are, lots more expensive bikes too. So we'll get back here, we'll give her some grades, we'll talk about the price, and I'll tell you where you can find some more information. I love the look, I really do. This flat black or matte black is really nice. Whew. All right, let's go ahead and pass out some grades on the Haoqi Eagle or the H3000. Talk about fit, what it was like to put together. No problems at all. It was so perfectly protected in the packaging. A lot of P words, I know. It's just in perfect condition. Here I've been charging it right here so we can put this back in. But it's fantastic, no issues at all. So we're gonna give it an A for fit. Form, the way that it looks, well, you tell me, what do you think? I love the tires. They're big. Not a step through, it's a step over. You got a nice rear rack right here. I could always see the display, so that's good. The brakes, this one is a little more, it comes a little closer to the handle than this one, but it does seem to stop pretty well. We just had that suspension that's not really super smooth. That's the one thing and maybe a little bit more torque. So yeah, not a problem, too big of a problem. For form, yeah, we're going to give it an A. Function, what it was like to ride, it rides like a big bike. It really does. You are way up there. The wheels are huge. The tires are huge. It's a nice ride. I do. It seemed to be really, really, really super comfortable. But just this front fork was a little different to me. So give me more torque and a better fork, and I'd love this thing. Yeah, we're going to give it a B for function. So overall, yeah, we're going to give it a B. If you want to get some more information on this, it does retail for about $1,999. They have it marked down to $1,499 right now. And we're going to have a link in the description box below so you can go get more information on the Haoqi Eagle. I do suggest that you try it out. Super comfortable saddle. It is a lot of fun to ride. If you're a taller person, I'm 5'9". This was fine for me. If you're 5'2", 5'3", you might want to look for a step-through bike. But if you're on up, 6 foot, 6'2", this would be perfect. It would be a great bike for you, okay? So thank you for watching, everybody. Thanks to everybody at Haoqi for sending me this electric bike. If you want some more information, like I said, check the link in the description box below. We'll see you again very, very soon. Okay, bye-bye.